This is EyeaTeah Jonny here on Talk Tech, and we are back for another Python video. So, as we all know, we are relaxing, chilling, listening to music, and learning Python at the same time. So, since I am learning along with you all, we're all learning together. This is going to be a learner's pace at the beginner's level. So, it's going to be real slow, chill. There's going to be long pauses. Anyways, let's get started. So, right now I'm using learnpython.org. At the moment, it's pretty much a free website for people to learn Python. And this is what we're doing. We're listening to music and relaxing, chilling, and just trying to learn Python in the process. So again, you can follow along on learnpython.org. Let me go in and get this, get the website brought up. All right, there we go right there. And it's provided by Data Camp. Anyways, we are on dictionaries today. So we did classes and objects for the last video. This time we got dictionaries. Before we get started though, let's make sure the video is working good. Then we'll get started. So yeah, we did classes and objects last go around. It's pretty good stuff, people. Let's check the audio out though. So far, it looks like it's pretty good. All right, we're about to test it out. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's get this music started. Hope I don't get any copyright strikes again. Not that I'm monetizing it, but you know, you don't want to get your stuff blocked. And I hope the audio is good, not too loud. Actually, I'm about to test it out too to make sure the sound's good with the music. That is not over blasting and whatnot. So I'm just gonna pause the audio real quick. Well, if I can push pause. Okay. Let's see how the audio sounds on here. It's good. Y'all can hear me good. All right, let's go. Let's get started. Start the music over, and let's go, people. Time to learn. Sometimes these intros are slow, but we're going at a steady pace, so we're good. Actually, it's kind of loud, so push that back a little bit. Let's get started, people. Dictionaries. All right, let's go. Again, this is learnpython.org. Learnpython.org. We are on the dictionaries lesson, and so let's get started. And it's okay if you go past me. If you learn quicker than I do, it's okay. You can get ahead of me. But like I said, we're relaxing and chilling. I'm gonna turn the music down because it sounds like it's really loud. I can't really tell though. All right. I like this song though. This is Thin Floors and Tall Ceilings by Odessa. All right, let's get back. So a dictionary, if you all understood that, it's pretty much you can have a key. So you can say IT is the key and Johnny is the value. So or talk tech is the key, or yeah, key and IT Johnny is the value, right? Um, sort of say right for a dictionary, but you can have multiple keys and values. And as you can see here, this is a dictionary with the equal sign. It's a dictionary because this is a dictionary right here, an empty dictionary, and then this is representing a place in the dictionary, like zero, place zero. This would be place one. This would be place two, or index 012 in the dictionary. And each of those indexes has a key and a value, if I'm saying it right. This is Blue Window by Durla Crayon. Oh, Dune Crayon, if I said it right. I've never really seen this done like this much, really highlight if ever at all. This is how I'm used to seeing, not list dictionaries. This is how I'm used to seeing dictionaries being created. Like usually it'd be written out like this. What I've seen is like it'd be like phone book, equals, and then all of that, and then all of this stuff right here will go here. But you can do it this way also. I don't think I've really ever seen anybody do it like this, like and showing somebody how to do it. So I know a little bit of these things, a little bit, but again, that's why I'm learning it again, so I can make sure I got it all covered. So we're learning along, people, from the beginning to the how far we can go. And this is what they're saying. What I was just saying, like you could do phone book equals curly brackets, and then that you'll get the same value. This way, I think you get a different value this way. Okay, same value, yeah, or same output. Hey, need some water. And this song is about to be over. Add to my playlist. I like it. So we know, like in list, what this is saying is, you know how list we can iterate over the list, and apple, blueberry, cherry in that order, right? You put it in that order in the list. If you iterate over it, so the apple would be 0, Blueberry would be 1, and cherry would be 3. And it would iterate it in that order: 0, 1. My bad. Apple would be 0, cherry would be 1, and blueberry. Well, I just said ACB. Apple would be 0, blueberry would be 2, and cherry would be 3. Apple 0, blueberry 1, cherry 2. I'm messing it all up my head, messing up my dang self. I'm confusing myself, people. Let's get back on track. Anyways, we got it now. I was looking at my fingers and saying the number on my fingers instead of saying it correctly. I'll take that L, people. I'm going to go ahead and take an L right there. I'll take that L. Let's get it right, people. We can't be getting this wrong right now, right? We've been doing too much learning to be messing up like this. All right, let's go. Like you all the ones who did it, right? Anyways, so let's start this explanation over. You can iterate over a list. When you do it, iterate over a list based off what we're seeing right here. What they're saying is, say you have a list of 3 items, right? You have an apple, blueberry, and a cherry, right? Well, in the list, the apple's going to be 0, blueberry's going to be 1, and cherry's going to be 2, right? And that's 3 items: 0, 1, 2. And when you iterate over that list, it's going to go in order every time when you iterate over it, right? By default, that's just what it does. Now, a dictionary, let's say you have, since the dictionary is keys and values, now I'm not sure why they can't do it the same way, same order, but I'm sure there's some behind that, right? But anyways, with the dictionary, what's going on is you're not just going to have apple, blueberry, and cherry. You're going to have fruit 1 is the key, and apple is the value. That's your first pair. Oh, that's your first item in the dictionary, right? That's considered 1 value, but it's, key and value. Then the second item is going to be, we're just saying item to, make it sound easier and simpler. Second item is going to be fruit 2 is going to be the key, and blueberry is going to be the value. So that's another 2 right there: key and value, key value, key value. We got one more. Where we got cherry. Now fruit 3 is the key, and cherry is the value. Oh, 2. So then we got that right there. We got that 3. So and that's how you iterate over it. So it doesn't keep track of, it doesn't like keep them in order. So I guess it can be like, but my guess is that, well, I don't want to put any of my guesses in there for this, right? We're trying to learn the right information, so we'll keep it right there, right? That's what happens. Whoa, I wasn't expecting this much stuff. Let's make sure we read this right. I'm not supposed to be talking that much, people, but sometimes you can't help it. Oh, wait, did we scroll down accidentally? Okay, we was done with that. Iterating over dictionaries. Dictionaries can be iterated over just like this. Okay, we just read that. It's like a small window. I don't know why. Phone book equals, and we just saw that. For name. Ooh, had to sneeze. For name. Okay, where you at? There you go. Lost my mouse. My pointer. For name, number, in phone book, dot items, print, phone number of S, and we all know what percent S means, is percent D. We all know what that is in reference to this and these 2 words right here. Let's run it. I was about to try to explain what it was, but I'd rather not get it chopped up. I thought the best for explaining stuff. I was going to verify what the output says first. All right, so we see what it does right there, people, right? Okay, I saw it, yeah. And I got the screen blown up on the screen so you guys can see, follow along with me. If you're not going to the website, then you can just watch it on the screen with me. So what's going on here, people, is we see the output right here, right? Let's take a picture of that and remember it. We go back over here, and what we have is, oh, then click on it. Okay, so here we go. So phone book equals John, Jack, and Jill as the 3 keys, right? And then we have, I'm not finna count all the numbers, say all the numbers, but 938, 8477, 938, 377, and 947, 666. Camera will be back. Let's just pause real quick. Camera will be back, and she's coming back. So, anyways, these are the 3 values. 1, 2, y'all can see it. I'm highlighting it. And 3. So what is going on here for name, number, in phone book dot items. So we'll just call these items. We'll just call each of these an item, right? Print phone number of string, and the key. All these keys are strings. So that's what that's representing. The S is %D, which is for pretty much numbers. Digit. I just say digit, right? In which we see these are all numbers, right? So name, when you do a name like this and a comma number, it knows that this whole part right here is one big, let's just say, item, right? But in that item, it sort of has its own little, it has a key and value. And this is representing the key. Name is representing the key and number is representing the value. And when you iterate through it, it's going to take, this is pretty much going to, name is pretty much going to map to the key, and number is going to map to the value. And it's going to iterate through each of these items in this dictionary each go round. So for name and number, first go round is going to be John and this number, and it's going to put that information here. Then the second round, third round, right? We see the output. That's what's going on, people. This is a little uppity, huh? Let me turn it up a little bit. This one's not that loud, so. We're flying through this one, people. This might be the quickest one ever. I thought last week was quick. We're just learning, people. That's all. We're just learning. So this looks pretty simple. If you want to delete something in a dictionary, you can delete it by calling the key, as we see here, del, which must be a Python function or method, I guess, or module, whatever. But delete obviously comes packaged with Python. You don't have to worry about that. Delete phone book, right? And you're saying this key, which will be John. And we print it. I'm sure it's going to be just those 2 now. Up. So where we at right now? Or what? Okay, so we're doing pop instead of delete. So pop pretty much, I don't know the difference, but it pretty much does the same thing. In this instance, it removes something that, is there. Now, I don't know. I'm sure there's some difference. One might do something different than the other. For maybe like specific use cases, if you need something really, really specific, then maybe pop or delete doesn't have it and the other does. But I wouldn't know what those are, so. But I'm sure maybe there is no difference. I don't know, but I'm sure there is some benefit over using one or the other for certain situations. Yeah, let's run it. And the same output though. Now it got loud. Like it's really loud for me for some reason. I don't know why. It's usually not that loud. Hope y'all can hear me. Let me turn myself up a little more. All right, that's good. What are we doing? Add Jack to the phone book with the phone number. All right, I got you. I got. Did we remove Jack? Who did we remove? We removed John. We removed Jack. Remove. No. Oh, add Jack. Oh, Jake. Oh, supposed to add Jake. Was he not already in there though? Wait, we never. Maybe instead of the del or delete, maybe it's just add. We'll just see, right? All right. We'll do it. Or it says add. I guess add. Did it turn blue? Hold on. Guess it ain't gonna show for me, huh? Add um phone book. Maybe it's phone book dot add. Oh no, it's I know. Dang it, I forgot what it is. No, I'm thinking of a list. Never, I'm thinking of a list. Never mind. Phone book dot. No, phone book. Mm. Then we gotta tell it. But it's not. Wait, it's already in there though. Hold up. What they mean add it? It's there. Oh no, Jack is there. Okay, I'm about to say. All right. Actually, we can't do this because Jack is not already there, so we can't do that. So that won't work. Um, I need some assistance here. Let me go see how we did the other one. But we can't do this though because it's not there, so we can't do this. Hmm. Where'd it go? That's not it. Uh, maybe we can. Hell, that's not gonna work. That's right. That's not gonna work. Oh wait, yeah, yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. Oh, um, and this is Quand on arrive in Villa by Frin. Adding that to the list. I liking that. All right, let's go, people. Where we at? Where we at? I think this is correct code. Oh, oh my gosh. What? What you mean invalid syntax, fools? We know what we doing. Let's try this. Cause I don't know if add could be used. We about to go to Google and see how to add button. What the heck? Oh, let's see about this add button in Python. Oh wait, we can't do that. Gosh dang it. Well, we can do this. Oh, okay. I doubt we can do this. Heck no. Yeah, this phone book doesn't have ad. I'm here. Okay, let's see. Python. Okay. So that Python doesn't have an ad. They wait a minute. Okay, people. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I can't think of that. It does have one. I just can't think of what it is. Um. Oh, wait a minute. No. I ain't gotta do none of this, people. Yeah, I ain't gotta do none of that. I don't have. Do I still got ad in there? I don't see. I didn't. I took ad out. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh, I got it. We got it, people. I didn't see this right here. I was about to say, hold up. Wait a minute. I took out the ad. We got it, people. We got it. I just had to stop and think for a second. That's all I had to do. Just stop and think for a second. I tried to Google the ad. I thought ad was a function or something of Python. So I tried to Google it, but it wasn't the same thing. You know, that was looking at W3, which usually like for websites and stuff like that, like building websites and stuff, CSS and all that stuff. So I was like, that dude got Python and stuff in there too, I believe, as we saw. But yeah, then I just had to sit back and think for a second. But why did I get that error though? It says you did not output the correct things. But it says Jake is listed in the phone book. That's all I want. Add Jake to the phone book with no phone with the phone up. Wait a minute. Wait, what am I? If Jake is listed in the phone book, print Jake is listed in the phone book. Is Jake not listed in the phone book? He's listed in the phone book. Let me see the solution then. What'd y'all get? Wait. Delete Jill? Why we got delete Jill? Oh. Give me all thine ills. Give me all thine ills. We taking L's on that one, people. I ain't read the whole thing. I stopped at the number. I didn't even read any further past the number right here. I was like, oh, take Jake out. We good. I ain't read the rest of it. And remove Jill from phone book. Oh, okay. Okay, so we taking the L that people. So that just goes to show you, people, make sure that's why we learning, people. That's why we learning, right? Make sure you read the whole problem. You sit down and dissect everything before you move on with your judgments in your work. Then you, because you might forget something or just waste a lot of time working on the wrong thing. You never know. Attention to detail, people. We took that L, never again. And this is Natural Cause by Emancipator. Emancipator got some good stuff. Doing an audio check real quick. Give me a second. I'm at to pause the audio. And this is Natural Cause by Emancipator. Emancipator got some good stuff. Doing an audio check real quick. Give me a second. I'm at to pause the audio. Got the screen blowing up on the. Okay, so I guess y'all could not hear the audio, and I did not know that. It's just very low. Hope you can hear it now. I'll take 2 L's today. We taking 2 L's. The whole show. I thought I heard it earlier though. I could have sworn we tested in the beginning, people. Oh man, let's verify again. We might have to go back a couple songs. All right, we're gonna do some tests, people. We're gonna make sure we're all in the right vibe. I'm sorry if you guys weren't vibing and chilling and relaxing with me, like I was just relaxing, enjoying the music, freezing up sometimes. I'm just floating off with the music, but we on it. We technical difficulties, people. Give me a second. Let me verify. The audio's better now. We're gonna pause it again. All right, we good, people. We can hear it loud and clear, baby. We good to go. We know that for sure now. All right, let's get this music going for real now. All right, let's start. Let's go back 2 songs. All right, so you guys can hear with me. Let's go 3. All right, let's start here. All right. Now this is Quan on Arrive in Villa by Flynn. All right, let's go. I went back a couple songs so we can hear some of the past songs. I'm going to do a quick test again just to make sure, but I'm not going to pause it. All right, that's good. I might turn up a little more for you guys, just because. All right, I think that's good right there for you all. All right. So, again, make sure you read the whole thing, people, or you'll be taking L's like me all day. All right, what are we doing right here? What's going on? Oh, remove Jill. Yeah. Oh, we done, people. Oh man, we're done. So I mean, that was easy. This would have been the quickest one if it had not been for the mess ups. I don't even know how long it is, but we're just gonna stop right here then, people. Yeah, that was a pretty good one, a pretty easy one. Wasn't that bad. So again, EyeaTeah Jonny here on Talk Tech. We're learning Python, listening to music. If I'm not screwing it up, but we're good, people. We good to go. We're learning. That's all that matters, right? In the end. But yeah. So we're learning good. Just follow along. I'll probably stream another one if not tonight. Maybe tomorrow, or I'm gonna start picking these up more because I need to, like, I'm learning Python in another course for AI and stuff, but it's just good to go back and go through all of these beginner level stuff because I'm a beginner in Python regardless of what I'm trying to learn right now elsewhere. It's on Udacity. It's a good website, but it's just a lot of stuff to learn, right? And I was already not really good at Python to begin with, trying to go into that, but it's actually going pretty good, actually, honestly. But yeah, I'm doing deep learning and machine learning, but with Python and other courses on Udacity, but it's actually going pretty good. There are really some good courses in there. But anyways, we're here. Catch you guys on the next video. We're just gonna let the song play out, and we're gonna end it there, and we'll continue the songs from henceforward. Hopefully, we don't have another mess up like that. But again, we just went through the Dictionaries video. We were learning dictionaries. We're learning Python. This is our currently, which lesson is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was our 11th lesson, people. 11th lesson. So this is going to be, now the first video, I think I did like 2 lessons in one, sort of. And that video's not even on this channel. It's on my music channel. That's where I started doing these Python tutorials at. That's where I got the idea to do music while doing Python, was my music channel. And I haven't actually done too much of my music channel since I've been doing this, so but I'm liking this, I'm feeling it. Anyways, let's just stop there, people. We're pausing music there, and hope you all enjoyed it. It's EyeaTeah Jonny out.